Alright guys, Matt from Just Wrench It here, and today is the day for the GMC Acadia. It's inspection day, so we're going to run down, we're going to get it inspected. Hopefully it'll pass. I don't see any reason why it wouldn't. And yeah, then we can go get the alignment that it needs badly. This wheel is out a little bit. Negative camber, I want to think, pitched out a little on the lower end, so we got to go get an alignment after this, and then we can finally start like really getting things together with it. Obviously I have some paint work to do with the mismatched colors, and there is a nick here on the mirror, but we're gonna put the original silver mirror back on it. There's a dent in the door. This is the best door I could find. There's a dent in the door. Upsetting. Very upsetting on that. But yeah, so we got all our trim on. The bottom, everything looks good. The body lines aren't perfect. This one, welding that panel in, it's just, I mean, I wasn't being super crazy precise. It's real close, but it's just, and I might be able to work some of that out with the door hinges and things, but for now it's functional. The door shuts and seals. Everything looks good. Also going to be looking for a headlight in the near future, and I have this here, this crack in this bumper piece. I haven't really looked for a used one too much other than at the pick-apart yard. They didn't have one. I can get one on Rock Auto for like, I want to say it's like 40 bucks or something. So I can get one. I just haven't done it yet. Just wanted to get past inspection, and then we'll worry about all the little stuff later, you know. But anyhow, I just wanted to give you guys an update. I know you didn't get to see the welding. I think I have... No, I don't think I have any video of the welding. I think I have video of me cutting out the metal. And that. I have some pictures I can throw up in this video if you guys want to see, but yeah, I really didn't, I was trying to meet the deadline for the original inspection date, and unfortunately that didn't happen, so I had to reschedule, and here we are. Hey guys, alright, so I'm just back from the inspection, and everything did go well as we thought it would. And the GMC Acadia is now roadworthy. Now, driving back, I did find some problems with the shock on the on the driver's side. There's something wrong with it. I felt a clunking, like it's kind of bottoming out. Something's wrong with that shock. I pulled the wheel off when I got back. I just did this a minute ago, and it has the oil from inside, the fluid from inside the shock is leaking, so the seals got busted. It must have been damaged in the accident. You know, it is what it is. Whatever. We will replace the entire suspension. I'm gonna do a video on that, see how that goes, and yeah, so we're roadworthy. Also have an issue where my driver's side control for the climate control is set correctly, but it's always blowing heat. So I'm guessing like the actuator inside, much like the Mitsubishi Galant that I did a while ago, I'm guessing the actuator for the driver's side is somehow off, you know, like it's stuck or broken or not functioning. So we'll have to take a look at that. That's kind of a pain, but yeah. So that's where we're at. We passed inspection. We've identified a couple other problems that weren't readily apparent before really driving the vehicle, but we'll get them all sorted out. Yeah, so more videos to come, guys. So I will see you soon. Looks like I got some work to do. All right, guys. Bye.